Okay, we're walking the dogs with the head collar on and have connected to a little thing around my waist. It's not going the best. Because look at Luna's way ahead of me. She's always pulling. No matter what I do, I've tried a million things with that stupid dog. Oh wait, her thing's off. Oh no, it's not. And then Leo is a puppy and he's crazy. And he doesn't want to do anything. So I'm just letting him see without any guidance what they do. And they pull all over the place. They're not good. It's all over. He doesn't like it. It's very annoying. You would think with this head thing on he wouldn't be all over the place. But he really is. So I'm gonna try to hang on to the leashes and do some corrections and do some treats and stop and turn and all those stupid fun training things that you're supposed to do. Because it's obviously isn't working out.